Hey guys, it's your boy Yashvir Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel, guys, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Okay. So in this video, guys, I'm gonna show you a few tricks up my sleeves. If you're trying to get no copyright music from Pixabay, alright, this website is great, but you have to like message. Either way, you can message the guy. As you can see, when I try to monetize or whatever, but you'll have to check. Okay, as you can see, powerful beat by this dude right here, Alexander Stepanov. Sorry if I butchered your name. So either way, they will be getting like all the money or whatever. So what you can do, you can trim out the song, or you can replace the song with any YouTube free no copyright music, or you can mute the song. But this is another way that you can win that in this situation. Okay, so either way, you can message a guy like this. Okay, all right. Or what you can do, you can just search for the music. Okay, so it's powerful beat right here. Just copy this. All right. Okay, right here. So you want to search for powerful beat. That was in music. Okay, search in music. Alright, here it is. This is a music. Okay, so this is a music, right? So you wanna click the download, but I've already downloaded that. Okay, so right here it says this track is registered with YouTube Content ID. Yes, you can use it, but you'll have to enter the download. You'll have to enter the license certificate. So you wanna click download certificate, then you wanna open this thing. Okay, so what you wanna do, you wanna copy the thing from here. As you can see, Pixabay license certificate. So you wanna copy that. All right, copy, and just dispute, and select my dispute. Yeah, my dispute isn't based on the. Yeah. All right, and here click on license. Okay, in the reason, click license. I have permission or license to use a content claim in my video. Click continue. Okay, and now just paste the whole thing. Click here, click here, click here. All right, accept, tick all three box. Then here the just put your channel name or whatever, usually the your legal first name and last name, and click submit. All right, so once you hit submit, as you can see, dispute submitted, and now it ups to the claimant. Now it ups to the guy. So if you feel like the guy isn't responding within 2 days, right, here it says 30 days, but they usually do not take 30 days to respond. Okay, the guy will respond much quicker. All right, and you can also reach out to the guy, like right here, music by his name, and just click his profile. Okay, click his profile, and right here click message. All right, and just paste your video links, and click send him a nice text or whatever. As you can see, it says, please send me a link to your YouTube video, and I will release a copyright claim. All right, he stated right there. So all you have is to message the guy, and voila, he will remove it. Okay, so that's the easiest way, guys. Okay, yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful.